Hey everyone, Christina here from A Life Well Documented, and I really wanted to do this video a couple of weeks ago, but I was so busy with my actual career, my day job, I didn't have time, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my December daily products for this year's December daily. Today is Saturday, November 3rd, and today is December Daily Prep Day. So in less than 30 minutes, I'm going to be busting out my December Daily album for 2020, and we're going to be prepping a bunch of pages. But I wanted to do a quick flip through of this box and talk a little bit about December Daily. If you're new to scrapbooking or new to pocket scrapbooking, December Daily is a great way to start. It's a very small project that focuses on a very specific time frame. Basically, you document your family and your friends, all of your traditions through the month of December. Some people start December 1st, other people start the weekend of Thanksgiving, and then some go through Christmas Day, and then others go through actually the 31st. I do December 1st through December 31st. That way it encompasses both Yule and New Year's Eve. And then I kind of set my goals for next year's December in that book. But it's a small book. I'll pull out, this is my album for this year. Basically, I had one of these. This is an older Simple Stories Snap albums. This is a 6x8 album. And the pages either hold 4 3x4 photos, or it'll hold maybe a 4x6 and 2 3x4. So that's why I recommend this if you're going to start a project like scrapbooking or December Daily, because a small book like this is a lot easier to accomplish than trying to do a large scrapbook. And because it focuses on a specific time frame, the month of December, I think it's also really good because if you're new to scrapbooking and you try to jump in, it's like, where do I start? Do I start with, you know, my kids' pictures from birth and then I've got 16 years to catch up on? Or do I start with current things, but then, you know, do I start at the beginning of the year or do I start now in November? So I really recommend a project like December Daily if you're going to get into scrapbooking. So I'm going to open this box and I'm going to show you what's in here. So this is the first year that I've actually used the December Daily products for December Daily. In the past, I've always been on a budget and I couldn't afford to get this box. So I would just kind of, you know, pull random Christmas pages and, you know, odds and ends that are holiday themed out of my stash and just kind of make my own or find printables online. But I wanted to splurge a little bit this year and do something special considering all that we've been going through this year. I think we all need a little gift to ourselves. So I'm going to open this up. And of course, you know, it's got Allie Edwards December Daily right here. And I forgot to mention this product is the original idea for this project. And the product is from Allie Edwards. So I'm just going to take everything out really quickly. And then we'll just move the box aside and go through everything. All right, so you get these. I'll go ahead. I'm going to open everything because I'm actually using the product today. So these are little 1-inch round, kind of like little flare buttons. You can put them in a button. You could put them on a, what am I thinking? A bottle cap. They have the adhesive on the back of them already. So really cute little 1-inch rounds here with little phrases and, you know, little Christmas or holiday, you know, theme on them. And then here are some, these are kind of like a faux leather. So a couple of tags that have some holiday phrases. Those are so cute. And I like that most everything is rather small, so it's designed to work with that little album. Now these are some, sorry for all the noise. These are some pocket folders that you could add. So you could put in, if you're going to an event, you could put ticket stubs in here. You could put a program folder if you're going to a holiday play in here. A lot of my friends, they like going to the Nutcracker in the holidays. So I've seen them put like their program and their ticket stubs in here. So you could also tuck these in if you have, you know, you put letters to Santa in there. So very versatile, fun things to use. So we also have some chipboard word phrases. So of course, all the fun words, you know, like Yuletide and Santa, and write your letter. So little chipboard words, black with kind of a copper metallic foil on them. You get this package of numbers. I don't need to open it. You can see they're all numbers in there. So they're all chipboard numbers, so you can document something that you do with your family or your friends every single day. Document your holidays or your holiday traditions. So like me and my family, we usually start our holiday traditions the weekend of Thanksgiving, when we take down all of our fall decor and put up all of our winter and our Yule decorations. So you could definitely use these to document that, or if there's a specific thing that you do every year, you know, you could use that to document as well. All right, these are really cute. These I will open so you can get a better idea. So these are vellum. So you can actually, this one's a little bit harder to see, but here you can actually see through. And this one, they all have that copper kind of colored metallic on them. So some of them have phrases on them. This one has little stars for those who like to watch, you know, Santa's ride through the night sky, a tree, and then, you know, another little phrase here. You also get a couple of wood veneer pieces. These all have, there we go, that's in the way. These all have different holiday sayings like bah humbug, or I think this one said happy holidays. So each one of these is going to have a different holiday saying on it. So really cute, nice petite size. You have a couple of the shiny gold metallics. So you get believe, magic, and give love. Then there are a few enamel hearts. These are really great. The one thing I don't like is that, unlike everything else, it's in a package, but these are packaged in a package. So a little bit sad about all the plastic, but very cute little enamel hearts. So you get 5 enamel hearts in 5 different colors. These are some gold glitter chipboard stars. Really cute. They come in different sizes, so they have some larger ones, some smaller ones. Really great to document those nighttime holiday festivities. Here we have a couple of trees. Now all of these trees are on that same really thick acetate or kind of vellum, and some of them have the copper metallic foiling on them, and some of them are just black. These are large chipboard tags, and I'm going to open these because there's a couple of different designs on these. So they have the one with the stars, they have the one with the trees, and then they also have one that says "The Story of Us, December Day." So really cute. You could paint these, you could chalk these, you could use you know, any of those kind of mixed medias on these to give them some color. So, and then we get into the cards. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get this open. So the kit always contains the different pieces of ephemera, and those change from year to year, but then she always includes the pocket cards for your albums that fit the 3x4 and the 4x6 pockets. So you have things like more sparkle, less stress, yes please, which is perfect for this year. You have some Christmas carols, that beautiful night sky on that copper. Here's the story, a tree. You have some December memories. These traditions have my heart, the good stuff. So basically just a lot of either holiday theme in, you know, different reds, greens, and then in the back here there's a couple of cards that are just like black or gray. So a nice variety of cards to use for your smaller pockets. And then of course there are some larger cards. So we have some circles, some phrases, a nice big journaling card, a background card or two that you could put photos on. This is all chipboard die cuts, so you've got some hearts with some words on them, a couple of tags, 25 for Christmas Day. So, and these all have the adhesive back on them. Then you get some word stickers. These are perforated, so you can just fold these and then either tear or cut out the word stickers and use these to also help tell the story of your December holidays. And it has really fun phrases like, I believe in the magic of Christmas, favorite photo, your traditional sayings like it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, remembering this moment. So very, very cute word phrases. And then you get some chipboard letters. These are great to do a couple of title cards with. So all nice, simple white. And then you get this set of, these are kind of like a puffy sticker. So in different, you know, wreath or laurels, a couple of stars, and then a couple of actual wreaths. And then you also get some paper. Now all of this paper is already trimmed down to the perfect 6" by 8" size. So you get a variety of paper, Christmas trees, that sky, this really fun, almost like a candy cane pattern, more stars, more trees, the wood background, stars, just some really funky wavy lines, and then some fa la la. So that is what comes in the 2020 December Daily Kit. Like I said, it's about 15 minutes now. It's going to be starting the December Daily Prep Day. I decided to participate with that since this is the first year I'm using the kit. So I'm really excited to get started. If you'd like to see my December Daily albums from the past and how I made my own December Daily kind of products, I'm going to link that in the card up here in this corner so you can go watch the flip through of that video. So I've got a couple of them. So I hope this inspires you to document your family's traditions and your friends' traditions through the month of December. It's a really great project, especially if you're overwhelmed with starting into scrapbooking in a larger project, doing like a 12 by 12 album, or even a project life or pocket page album, because those are really open. This is very focused on just the month of December. So it's a small time frame. It's a small project. The album's only that 6 by 8. So I say give it a try. You can easily pick up an album and some page protectors, use some things from your own stash to get started, or you could buy a really nice product like this from Allie Edwards, or there's probably, I think, almost a dozen different companies. Studio Calico has one, L Studios has holiday memory documenting, but I really hope this inspires you. So comment down below and let me know if you've used the December daily line before. I'd really love to hear from you. Or if you use your own and make your own December daily kits, I'd love to know those too. So share those down below. All right, everybody, I'll see you later. Take care.